Guys, this is morning time. So today we are really exciting because we are taking you with us for one day in Weligama. Right now we will go eat for breakfast. Look what we done.
Breakfast.
And after, let's go.
Come to Weligama. So we just arrived a few days ago from, I don't remember, Tisa something.
Samarama.
We came here because this spot is famous for surfing. The bay is the best for the beginners to learn how to surf. So we decided to take surf lessons. So actually we took already 2 of them. And we also took 2 hours by ourselves to improve our skills.
Yeah, and this morning, so we'll do the same. We will rent 2 boards and we will try to do some video and try to improve our skills in surfing. So the wave seems quite good this morning.
Yeah, and it's sunny, which is nice.
And it's already kind of busy.
Yeah, there are a lot of people, but I'm really excited.
So here we choose to take the lesson in Surfer's Paradise, Sri Lanka. It's rated 5 stars over 5. And the guy named Raggy, I think you can see it here.
See him?
No, it's not him. It's his co-worker. Anyway, he is a funny guy.
Yeah, he's really nice and really talkative, and he speaks a very good English, which is nice. It's enjoyable.
When she pop up and go on the board, her left foot is back, so she put the leash on the back leg. Let's go.
Very good idea.
Just after surfing.
And we're gonna have breakfast over there, I think.
And I guess we are not too bad because we both succeeded to stand up on our first try. So he said that we are kind of good. I don't know, but still funny to do.
The coffee!
Did you already see a tree moving on the road?
So guys, we are right now in GALLE after 2 hours of surf. We took one board for 2 hours and 1 hour each. It was really nice. The waves were so nice.
And we just rented a scooter for a few days in Weligama. So we used it to go to Merissa and then to make some stop between Weligama and GALLE. So now we are in GALLE. We will take a look at the city, and right now I think we will try to find a restaurant because we're kind of angry.
Yeah, because spending times in the water make the hunger.
It's burger time. So we choose a restaurant. It's outside the port of GALLE because everything was really expensive. So we find a well-rated one just next to the port. So let's try. Do you see that cloud? For sure we will take a lot of rain to come back to Weligama in scooter. Thankfully we stopped on the first way to go to Ella to take some video, because now I guess it's done for today.
And we are not in Ella, we are in GALLE, by the way.
I said Ella? No way. She said stupidity. We got an issue. We have 1 hour drive in the scooter to do.
And it's raining cats and dogs, like really a lot.
We have nothing to put on ourselves, no raincoat, just t-shirts, shorts and shoes.
It's gonna be funny, and I am the driver, so I have to be careful because it's gonna be slippery and no visibility and
a lot of fun.
And I can't drive with my sunglasses because I can't see with them. It's like already super dark, I think. In 1 hour the sun is going down, so it's gonna be night.
In less than 1 hour.
Oh, less than 1 hour, so we should go now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Vamos.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm already super wet. Enjoy the monsoon.
It's raining, man.
Hallelujah. Oh God, look at this. So we found a very nice guy. Well, a very nice place to drink coffee, and they gave us the plastic bag for the
paper.
For our belongings, because we have the passport inside and money and everything. So if it's wet, then it's could be damaged. So oh God. So oh fuck. I just walked in the water. So yeah, I didn't want to leave even if it was cloudy and super dark, because I was feeling less hot, so I wanted to visit and to enjoy my afternoon, but I think I regret a bit now. Yeah. My God. This is stupid. I am stupid. I should have listened to him, I think.
Look,
yeah.
It's like if we are...
Oh God.
We just finished the surf station, look. Totally wet.
Well, at least when we surf, we are already in the water.
Yeah.
So... The only scooter still there, our scooter.
That's weird. We don't know why.
Oh God.
Well, we just arrived and I think we took water, rain like we never did before.
We had
Because
2
look at
showers. This is like you can spin, I don't know.
Yeah, the t-shirt just went in the washing machine again.
So we took 2 showers. The first one was like 10 minutes, which was okay. Then we got
A little break.
a little break.
And then
And after like crazy,
yeah,
and
you have like 5 to 10 centimeters of water on the ground.
yeah, it's like you're like driving in this high of water. It's just crazy. Let's go. Oh god, look at this.
Oh,
It's okay, actually it's okay.
really? It's impossible.
It's not too bad.
It's impossible. I'm totally wet. Like my shoes. Sweet, sweet.
Yeah, it's like the swimming pool in the shoes. They're completely wet. This is sticky on my skin now. Everything is like completely wet.
We will enjoy your meal. So this is the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and see you next week.